Hello and welcome to day 3 of Handpanuary. Today we're looking at some wrist rotation in the context of making chord shapes and improving our dexterity and our speed in this motion. So there are 2 different exercises for today. Part 1 is the butterfly technique and part 2 is the one-handed version of a similar kind of exercise. So what we're going to do is take 2 groups of 2 notes. So we've got our first group here, which is note 1 and note 3, and our second group here, which is note 2 and note 4. Right, so we're just kind of walking up the scale, and I invite you to keep your hands in place so that they are hovering above each of those notes. And the idea with this is that rather than moving to play each note, all that we have to do is keep our hand exactly where it is and rotate. So that's the motion that we're after. Right? And to practice this, we're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, like so. And it's called the butterfly technique because we're making the shape of these beautiful butterfly wings. Once we're done with this group, we then start not on note 1 but on note 2. So we still have this group here, and then the right hand will move up to notes 3 and 5, and then we start on the left. Then the right hand stays where it is, the left hand moves up, and we start on the right. Left hand stays where it is, the right hand moves up, and we start, you guessed it, on the left. And as can be predicted from the order that we're going in, then the left hand moves up, right hand stays where it is, start on the right. So whichever hand stays, that's the hand that starts. And then the right hand moves. And then we do the same back down. Yeah, when we come back down, it'll be finger, finger, thumb, thumb, finger, finger, thumb, thumb. And when we go up, thumb, thumb, finger, finger, thumb, thumb, finger, finger. So for this exercise, we will start 1, 2, 3, 4, nice and steady so that we can map out that movement. And then we'll do it double speed. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we move to the next round. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and so on and so forth. Got the idea? Let's try it all together. Ready? 1, 2, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3. Right hand moves. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Left hand moves. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Right hand moves. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Left hand moves. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Right hand moves. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Let's go back down, starting on the right hand. Right, left, 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 right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, done. Nice. I think I might have missed one here at the top somewhere. So I invite you to practice that along with the metronome, and then as after a few repetitions, when you start to feel comfortable, or in a week's time when you've been practicing it every day, increase the tempo, increase the speed so that you can start to get used to doubling that faster and faster. And that's going to give you the ability to have that nice kind of low down control, that wrist rotation, so you can do things like fun little trills or whatever quick fast speed double strikes you need to do between two different notes. That's version 1. Version 2 is very, very similar, but instead of playing one hand after the other, it's one-handed, then one-handed. So it'll sound a little bit different. So same shapes, but we're playing right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. So then you can start to think about it in a different way, hear the notes in a different way, and feel it without that in-between strike as your hand rotates, right? So let's try that whole activity, but this time one hand at a time. Everything else, all the principles are still the same. It's just that that's changing. Okay, ready? 1, 2, off we go. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right. Left hand, left, left, right, right. Let's come back down. Idea, but this time we're getting used to focusing on one hand and then the other. So I encourage you to practice that over and over for the next few days. Put it into your routine, see how your dexterity increases and your control gets a little bit better with repetition of that exercise. All right, see you next week. No, see you tomorrow.